Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rahul Koul reporting from Global Bio India 2024, organized by BIRAC and Department of Biotechnology. So here we are with Dr. Pawan Dhar, who's the Dr. Dhar, you can tell us more about how you're associated with the CVJ Centre for Synthetic Biomanufacturing. More about that, sir.
Thank you very much, Rahul. Very good morning. We have moved to this place called Kochi to set up the Center for Synthetic Biology and Biomanufacturing. And this is about starting with the design of molecules and then building the chassis of the cells, which is microbial chassis or the eukaryotic chassis, and towards a certain endpoint, which is to do with the health sector or the industry, and also some environmental applications are there. And when you build the chassis, then obviously your next job is to do some manufacturing. And that's what we have got the products here. So these are the fermented products. We have a large scale fermentation capability, right from the lab scale to the large scale. And we are interested in taking the design aspect to the fermentation and production for the social applications.
Right. So why are you today here at Global Bio India? How do you look at the overall event, and what are your expectations? Broader expectations.
Thank you very much, Rahul. So, the reason why we are here is to showcase our capability and to invite more ideas from young minds who are visiting us since morning. And we would also like to know what are the requirements of the community in terms of the university and industry. What are the products they are looking at? And that connect you can make only when you come to events like this. It's a mega event. We have been fortunate to have visitors since morning, and we have learned a lot. The feedback we got from them as to which are the products that will be useful for future. That's one thing. And second is which are the technology platforms which are state of the art. We are also here to learn that. And third is who are the key players in the industry and academia. And last of all, but not the least, the funding is what bothers us all the time. So BIRAC has this wonderful opportunity. So we're going to meet some funding people here.
Right. That's great to hear that, because funding is something, startups. It's what I should say. Without funding, startups can't survive at all, and they certainly, and wherever there are good startups, government should certainly support them. And sir, one last question is that how do you look at the overall biotechnology scenario in India currently, and what should be the way forward, particularly when we are focusing on Bio-E3 policy and biomanufacturing? What should be the way forward?
Absolutely. I am so delighted that government has come up with the Bio-E3 policy, which looks at environment, economy, education, employment. There are so many things embedded into this Bio-E3. And so far, we were thinking of biotechnology more as an academic exercise. So you do some publication and you do phenomenal discoveries, but as a scientist, we were all happy with the discovery aspect. However, now there's a very strong push from the government to look at the applications and connect with the industry. So I'm so excited to see that this is happening in the real terms. And also, what is a good learning for us is earlier universities were the place for distributing knowledge. Now universities are becoming a place to generate IP and technology transfer. So this is a big push, and we want to be part of this ecosystem, and we're really excited to be here at this time.
Right, sir. And it's a really pleasure catching up with you today, and we hope to catch you soon, again in Delhi. From Kochi to Delhi, I know distance is very long, but I hope to see you, back in these circles very often. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Rahul, and so nice to meet you and wonderful to connect once again. And I look forward to more such interactions, and will be happy to answer any questions that you may have.
Pleasure, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, audience.